Hey there friends, welcome to the PaperWrld channel. Today we'll check out the autumn box products for the DIY phone case project. Let's get started, shall we? This project's a collab between PaperWrld and Humsanel. Now for my favorite part. These products instantly capture autumn's magic. I'm pumped for this video cause fall's my favorite season. I'm also emotional since it's the project's final box. Can't wait to show you all the details. Let's begin. First, I'll show you the colors picked for autumn. Remember, we choose 3 colors for each base. For autumn, we've got orange, brown, and green. Don't these colors scream autumn to you? Let me show you how thick the papers are. Like this. Perfect for the base. As always, we'll start with the papers. As we mentioned, papers are essential for a phone case. I get excited every time I untie these strings. Look at the colors of these papers. They're so beautiful and soft. Let's take a closer look. I think they're incredibly aesthetic. Let me show you how beautiful this product is. I absolutely adore this product. We added other versions to previous boxes too. It's so elegant, you're mesmerized when you open it. The papers and stickers inside always excite me. If we look closely, it's simply stunning. It has such a quality texture, just listen to this sound. I love these textured papers. I think they're absolutely magnificent. Take a look at this. It's so realistic. The papers inside are like this too. Look how cute these stickers are. Wouldn't you want to customize each day? Let's move on to our other product. I really love this product. With just this, you can make a phone case. It has papers, stickers, everything you need. This box alone amazes me. I like to show you in size order. Look at how beautiful this paper is. The prints are both lovely and aesthetic. Here are our stickers. Of course, I peeked beforehand. Take a look at this. It's a perfect autumn sticker. The papers inside are like this. Butterflies are my favorite, naturally. Look how beautiful these are. You can tie these directly to string. Like every box, this one has full themed items. They're all so cute and pretty. Let's move on to another paper and sticker set. I think I love smaller products even more. They just look more appealing to me. Look at how delicate and pretty these are. This box has lots of fall colors and motifs. This is my favorite in the product. It's so elegant, I can't wait to use it. Now I'll show you an amazing product. Though I'm not certain, I think this is one of my favorites in the box. They're all so beautiful and elegant with blue, green, brown, pink, and purple patterns. Just look at the texture of these leaves. It's so realistic. And of course, my favorites are the butterflies. Look at these. Aren't they amazing? I absolutely love this. We're continuing with another paper product. I adore the elegance of this item. Remember, we valued this in the summer box. Of course, its colors were different then. This box has such a feminine vibe. I really like it. I'm in love with the decoration. I love doing this every time. Are you ready for some magic? These papers look like they're handmade. They're textured. The colors match the box perfectly. Take a look at this. I absolutely love it. Now let's check out the stickers. This is another favorite of mine. I fell in love at first sight. The leaves' vibrancy and texture caught my eye. Look how beautiful these are. I picked this product specifically. I'd love to see it on a phone case. These burnt effect papers are actually stickers. Each has a different quote. You can separate and use them like this. I think it's lovely. Here's another sticker pack. The packaging blew me away. I think it looks fantastic. These stickers capture autumn beautifully. Check out these pumpkins. Trees, tree houses, fruits. Especially this one. Isn't it the perfect autumn tree? I love how high quality these stickers are. Now we've come to one of the products I'm most excited about. We specifically added this product, this box. Each girl here is so adorable. Their designs are truly eye-catching. Would you look at this? They're all beautiful. We added this box for its autumn colors and feel. Look at this. I'd show you all up close, but there are so many patterns. Look how cute this is. I definitely want to use this. And of course, our must-haves, washi tapes, box favorites. Look at how beautiful these writings are. Each one is special. We used to add word stickers, but this time we chose washi tape. This product looked new, and its autumn colors really captivated us. I love its thickness and texture. Like this. Another thing, we all have these stamps. They're all so cute and pretty. I couldn't resist when I saw this. It beautifully captures the essence of autumn. For example, these ones here. I think they're all beautiful. Isn't it great that they're ready to use? I'd like to show you my other tape. I absolutely love using musical notes. The coffee patterns give it a warm feel. Now let's look at my other favorite item. This product screams autumn to me. Its color, look, and texture say fall. Let me show you a close-up view. It looks just like a real leaf. You might mistake it for a fallen leaf. I can't wait to use this on my cases. And here's our final product. I'm really excited about this one. It's unique compared to other boxes. This is a brand new product. Its built-in seal will make work easier. Each one is elegant and beautiful. I especially love this one. And of course the essential leaves. Don't worry about how to use it because it's very easy to use. It has a shimmery texture. I think it's fantastic. I'm sure it'll add flair to our cases. Before wrapping up, I want to share a few thoughts on the project. This DIY phone case project is really special to me. It gives people a canvas to express themselves. I think that's truly unique. Personalizing our phones, which are central to our lives, is such a fun idea. That's why I enjoyed every moment of it. We've shown all the products now. Which one's your favorite? I'm really curious what you think about this project. Please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.